You've sprayed air freshener in your bathroom 3 times this week, and 20 minutes later that same musty smell creeps right back in. That's not your bathroom being dirty. It's because the actual source is almost always hidden inside your plumbing or walls, not floating in the air your spray is targeting. There are 4 specific sources causing that smell, and the cheapest fix costs 50 cents and takes under 5 minutes. The strangest one involves a dry pipe you've probably never thought about. Stay with me, because I'm walking through exactly where that smell is coming from. Air freshener and odor spray brands profit from masking symptoms instead of fixing sources. A spray that covers smell for 20 minutes guarantees you'll buy another can next week, forever, since it never touches the actual bacteria or dry trap causing the odor. Plumbing-based fixes for this exact problem have existed since indoor plumbing traps were standardized in the 1870s, and that's precisely the kind of permanent fix a billion-dollar air care industry has no reason to mention on a can built to sell repeat use. Source number 1. The dry P-trap, $0 to fix, the most overlooked cause of bathroom odor. Every drain has a curved pipe called a P-trap, a design patented in 1880 specifically to hold standing water that blocks sewer gas from rising into your home. Guest bathrooms or rarely used sinks dry out within 2 to 3 weeks without use, breaking that seal completely. Simply run water in every drain, including floor drains, for 30 seconds once a week to keep the trap filled. Source number 2. Biofilm buildup in the drain itself. 50 cents per treatment. Pour 1/2 cup baking soda directly down the drain. Follow with 1 cup white vinegar. Let the fizzing reaction sit for 15 minutes, then flush with boiling water. That fizzing reaction physically breaks apart the layer of hair, soap scum, and bacteria, called biofilm, coating your pipe walls, which produces a sulfur-like smell as it decomposes over weeks of buildup. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: spraying air freshener directly at the drain. That just adds a fragrance layer on top of the actual bacterial source, and within minutes the underlying sulfur compounds punch straight through it again. Source number 3. The toilet's wax ring seal. Roughly $8 for a replacement if this is your issue. A cracked or shifted wax ring, the seal between your toilet base and the floor drain, lets sewer gas leak continuously into the room rather than staying contained in the pipe. Check for a faint sewage smell concentrated specifically at floor level near the toilet base, not spread evenly through the room. That's your signal this seal has failed and needs replacing. Source number 4. Exhaust fan neglect, $0 to fix immediately. A bathroom fan clogged with dust loses up to 50% of its airflow capacity, according to HVAC maintenance studies, which means humidity and odor-causing bacteria linger in the air far longer than they should. Remove the vent cover and wipe down the fan blades with a damp cloth monthly. This alone cuts lingering moisture-based mildew smell significantly within 1 week. None of these fixes address a genuine sewer line issue further back in your plumbing system. If the smell persists after all 4 checks, that likely means a professional plumbing inspection is needed. This also won't help musty towels or bath mats, which need their own regular washing separate from these plumbing fixes. Under $10 total for every fix combined, versus $150 to $300 for a plumber visit that often just points you back to these same 4 sources. If this finally explains that smell you can't spray away, hit that like button. It tells me what to break down next. Subscribe to the channel if you want more of these. Drop a comment telling me which of these 4 sources you're checking first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Stay sharp out there.